Did you know? If you're dealing with stubborn muscle pain, there's actually a way to recover without surgery. It's called shockwave therapy. So, how does it work? It's pretty simple. A doctor uses a handheld device to send focused sound waves deep into the injured area. It's not electricity, it's sound energy. When these waves hit your muscles and tissues, they create tiny micro-injuries that activate your body's natural healing system. This increases blood flow, reduces inflammation, and helps break down old scar tissue. After a few sessions, your muscles and tendons get stronger and healthier. And during the treatment, you'll feel some strong pulses. It's a bit intense, but totally bearable. It's commonly used to treat conditions like plantar fasciitis, tennis elbow, frozen shoulder, and chronic back pain. The best part? No surgery, no anesthesia, and you can walk out right after the session. That's the science behind shockwave therapy, using sound to reset your body and relieve pain from the inside out. Have you ever tried this treatment? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever dealt with that stubborn bump near your tailbone that just won't go away? It could be a pilonidal cyst, which usually happens when hair gets trapped and causes an infection. This leads to a swollen, painful lump that fills with pus and keeps coming back, making life pretty uncomfortable. So, how do doctors treat it? First, the doctor will use local anesthesia to numb the area so you won't feel any pain during the procedure. If the cyst is infected, the doctor will make a small incision to drain out the pus and remove any trapped hair and debris, instantly relieving pressure. For those with recurring cysts, the doctor might perform a more thorough cleaning or even remove the entire cyst wall to prevent it from coming back. There are also some modern techniques where doctors use minimally invasive endoscopic tools. They make tiny incisions to clean out the cyst through small openings. Afterward, the wound may heal on its own, or it might be stitched up, depending on the situation. Keeping the area clean and regularly removing hair can significantly lower the chances of the cyst coming back. That's how pilonidal cyst treatment works. It helps relieve pain, clear up the infection, and get you back to your normal life. Do you know how surgeons remove the gallbladder without making a large incision? Nowadays, most gallbladders are removed using a laparoscopic cholecystectomy, which is a minimally invasive surgery that only requires a few small incisions. After anesthesia is administered, the surgeon makes a few small cuts in the abdomen. One of these incisions is used to insert a thin camera, allowing the surgeon to see the gallbladder clearly and display it on a screen. Through the other small openings, the surgeon inserts delicate surgical instruments. First, the surgeon carefully separates the gallbladder from the surrounding tissues. Then, they locate and clamp the cystic duct and cystic artery, the tiny tubes and blood vessels connected to the gallbladder. These ducts and vessels are safely clipped to stop any blood flow. Once they are sealed, the gallbladder can be carefully detached from the liver bed. Finally, the entire gallbladder is removed. The surgeon will check for any bleeding through one of the small incisions, clean the area, and then close the incisions with stitches or surgical glue.